Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys a mirrored wall art that I'm going to make. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Alright everyone, I have the foam boards here that I got from Dollar Tree. I have two of these boards. And we have the large round mirrors that we get from Dollar Tree. And we have some silver acrylic paint here. And some Mod Podge. And we have these gems. They're from Dollarama, but these are the size gems that you can get at Walmart and Michael's. So I'll be using those gems. And here's our crushed glass. If you haven't seen the video, I'll leave a link below to the video where I make these crushed glass in case you haven't seen it. And we have our E6000, you guys. And our tools. And we're gonna get our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by painting our foam boards with the silver paint. And we'll just be doing one coat on both boards. Now we're going to take our mirrors and these gems that we have here. And we're just going to take the mirror out of the frame. Just turn it over and it pops right out very easily. Okay, now we'll be gluing our gems going all the way around the mirror. And I'll be making 4 of these mirrors with this size gems. And now we'll be gluing these smaller size gems around the mirror, and I'll be doing 12 of the mirrors with these smaller gems. Alright everyone, now we're just going to lay out our mirrors into the pattern that we want to make for this design. And now we're going to take the E6000 and our glue gun and glue down our mirrors to the foam board. It will have to dry overnight with the E6000, but the glue gun will help us hold it down for now so we can continue working on our design. And now we're going to take the Mod Podge and add our crushed glass to our design. And when applying the crushed glass, everyone, please use gloves. I'm used to working with these crushed glass and mosaic pieces, so I know how to handle the glass, but for you, I'd recommend that you please wear gloves. I don't want you to get hurt. Alright. And now that our design is dry with the Mod Podge, we're going to apply 2 more coats of Mod Podge going over the crushed glass to seal in the glass so you won't have any fallout once you hang up our art piece. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think it looks very nice. I like how it turned out with the crushed glass and the large round mirrors. And it's really blingy. I'm not sure if the camera's picking up very good for you guys, but it's really shiny and nice, and that's what I like. I love the bling. And here is how our design looks. Like I told you, I had 2 foam boards, so I made 2 pieces. And I put the 2 pieces together here on the wall. And I think it looks very nice. And I used command strips to hang up the 2 boards. On each board, I put 7 command strips. I used the large ones The large size command strips, I always show you in my videos which command strips I use. I use 7 on each board to hang it up. Yeah. Mhm. It's a nice, lovely, elegant piece, just using things from the Dollar Tree, you guys. They're round mirrors, they're foam board, and the crushed glass. And the crushed glass was made from Dollar Tree mirrors also. Yeah. Alright, everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely DIY decor for you guys to do for your home on a budget. Yes. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did for today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. Alright, everyone. Stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye.